Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, June 27th. Looking at the current water vapor imagery, we continue to be dominated by an upper level low. Just now, going over the western coast of Oregon, you can see that there's a dry slot, a little with a jet supporting a weak boundary. Weak cold front that's going to move through our area today. Not looking for much of any precip. It looks like it's going to remain north of our area. I'll show you that here in just a second. But we'll have some breezy winds again in the 15 sustaining, gust 25 over most of the area, and then ridge tops in the 35 to 40 range. As you look at our short-term model, it continues to show that as well. Here's the dry slot. You see there's a chance of precip mainly in the northern part of the divide, just outside of our area. And then as you go into Friday afternoon, all the precip looks to remain well north of our area again, maybe a little bit in the central mountains. And then as you go into Saturday, it looks overall dry again across our area. And then the surface front, you can see the surface map. You can see that the frontal boundary kind of moving through. Again, that's what it'll do is just drop temperatures 3 to 5 degrees across the area and bring breezy conditions. We'll bring some thunderstorms, but they look to remain up in the just north of our area, maybe in our area for our fire weather zones in northern Lemhi County. And then as you look at the SPC outlook, it shows the same thing as far as convection for this afternoon. We do have some gusty winds again, then in that 15 to 25 mile an hour range of gusts, maybe slightly higher. Some of your ridge tops, 30 to 35 miles an hour. And then as you look at our max temperature today, we are dropping. Normals for Pocatello is about 84, looking at 80, 81 today, somewhere in that range. And then as you look for our surface map tomorrow, again showing the precip well north of our area. There is a slight chance, again, I mentioned in the central mountains, very weak thunderstorms or just some light convection. And then as far as here's your min temperatures come Friday morning across the area. And then as far as our max temperatures, you can see they're still held down a little bit by that cooler air, just at normal to slightly below normal. And then as you look into dry again across our area, will be that southwest flow, continuing Friday and Saturday. So we'll be slightly breezy, not quite as breezy as we're going to look this afternoon. And as far as our max temperatures, we're back to normal more or less. And then we do continue to warm up, remain in southwest flow. And our warmest temperature of the summer over the year so far looks to be on Monday. May actually hit 90 at this point, but right now the model is holding just short of that. Here again, I'll show you the long term. This picks up on Sunday. That low off the coast is kind of moving over. There's a chance of precip over the central mountains and the eastern areas, and then you can see still continue a slight chance on Tuesday into Wednesday. But this model now is showing actually a little bit of ridging trying to build back in, particularly for that July 4th. Originally, it was showing more of a southwest flow still remaining breezy with a chance of precip. That is changing in those Wednesday, Thursday, Friday time frame. So just be aware of that, and that will slightly change again as we get a little bit closer. So here's our number. If you have any questions, give us a call here. Thank you. This concludes the brief.